Dolly gets so up close and personal with me. She's right in my face, stepping on my chest. This is the pussycat I love to pieces. You're my favorite new girl. Peta's at the foot of my bed. She's my favorite old girl. Yeah, I'm very lucky to have all these pussycats to love me. Dolly Dollface. She's my precious doll face.